Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube video where we explore the world of catalog design services on Fiverr, the go-to marketplace for freelancers offering creative solution. And for the people that there is first time hear about Fiverr is a popular online marketplace that connects freelancers with clients looking for various services, like I say, including catalog design. And to get started with this service on Fiverr, simply head on over to catalog design Fiverr and choose the first link, catalog design services by freelancers. Like you see with me here, this is the homepage or the interface of this service on Fiverr, where you can find all the key features that absolutely gonna need, and also the search bar, the notification in the inbox, this list here in the orders, and your account on Fiverr from here. I show you before in my channel how to create an account on Fiverr. You can just come back to the last videos to find how to create an account on Fiverr. Here you find the profile or post a request, refer a friend, or if you want to become seller, the setting, that mean the password, username, photo of the profile, and all of that. The billing, the information about the billing and the payments cards. And if you want to change the language, the currency, and if you have any problem or issue, you can just go to the help center, and if you want to log out from your account. Now let's try to take a quick look for the results. We have 3,114 services available. It's a very big number. You can minimize this number by this option of the filters over here. You can filter the results by service option. Like example, if you want just the services about the catalog, it will become 1,878 results, and the magazine and the steel sheets and also the other. And we have also about the service includes and some services about the seller details, like the level. We have top rated seller and the new seller, and usually the new seller has more cheap gigs than the top rated seller, and these two levels here. And also the language that the seller speaks, we have plus 24 more language, and the localization, that where you want seller to live in. And also the budget, that means the price from the minimum until the maximum. You can just write your price here, and after that click on apply to activate the service. And for delivery time, you have these four options: the express 24 hours, up to 3 days, up to 7 days, or you have no problem with the delivery time, and after that you can click apply. And also these three small services, if you want to see just the pro services, you can just activate this one from this button over here. And if you want to find just the gig from the sellers that they live in your same area or they are online. Now let's try to take a quick look for this gigs here, and let's suppose that you like this one and you want to keep it to see it later. You can just click on this heart here to save it to the list to find it later, and the heart over here. Now I will show you how to buy a gig. You need just to, the first thing that you need to know here is the seller, the sentence that he presents his gig for us. His level is the second one, how many stars the gig gets, how many person buy the gig, and price is from $35. And I will show you later why is from $35 and not specifically $35. So let's click to the gig. And let's try to see all the designs. And after that you need to read the information about the gig or the information about the seller, his country, the language that he talk, from when he is member on Fiverr, or the last delivery time. And also you have some overviews from another person's that you make sure that you want or don't want to buy the gig from the seller. So the first thing that you need to do to buy the gig is to choose the plan that you want to work on it. You have 3 plans with 3 different prices: the basic, standard, and the premium. The basic is the most cheap one. It's called by fold design. It's with $35 with the services over here. You will get 2-sided bifold lookbook, catalog, portfolio, brand ready source file. You have 2 days delivery, unlimited revision, custom graphics, files ready for print, 4 pages, include source file. For the standard one is with $90, 10 pages design. You have 10 pages with front and back, cover, lookbook, catalog, portfolio, print ready source file. You have 4 days delivery and unlimited revision. You have custom graphics, files ready print, 10 pages, include source file. The premium will be the most expensive one, is $185. You have 20-page design, 20 page with front and back, cover, lookbook, catalog, portfolio, print ready source file. You have 7 days delivery, unlimited revision. You have custom graphics, files ready for print, 20 page, includes source file. So like see, the seller is online because the green button over here, so that means if you contact him, he will answer you in the same minutes. So after you choose the plan, you need just to click on continue and choose the quantity that you want from the gig. Of course, the price will get different. You can buy how many gig you want and click on continue here. So before you get here your information of the payment card, you need to read this information here to be sure how many money that you will pay. The total, it will be $39.43, and the total delivery time will be 2 days with this services over here. Now the second step is to choose the payments method. You have 2 methods. You have by credit and debit card or by PayPal. If you choose the first one, you need to enter your card number. It's contained with 16 numbers you will find in front of the card, and also the expiration date, that means the month and the year, the security code, or you can call it also the CVC code. You will find this behind the card, the last 3 numbers, and the first and the last name, they should be legal. And after that, you need to confirm and pay from here. And if you choose the PayPal, you need just to click on PayPal checkout to complete the others information about your PayPal, and you will pay successfully by buying the gig. So this will be the last of our video. I hope you guys understand, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like these. So like usual, my guys, let me tell you bye bye to the next video and next website.